Hello everyone, Indrich, check DC-9 project again with a new video of the instrument panel, which you can see in the Cool Sky DC-9 here. And this is the real thing here on my table. I have all these instruments connected and working. Only 3 of them are missing yet, because that needs more work, as that's the fuel quantity gauges, and the gyroscope, the standby gyro, is missing, so I need to make another work with that. But everything else on the panel is working, and the good is that this is the final assembly. Here I will show you that later. I will turn the panel back side first so that you can see what's behind the scenes. And Cold Sky DC-9 is powered off again. APU available, and I'll show you how these all instruments work. So I'll turn the power on right now. So you see the EGT aligns themselves to 1.0 position. The fuel quantity shows about between 10 and 12 quarts, and the fuel temperature starts to show 5 degrees. New thing is this: these two fuel used. Also the fuel used resets, which is working. So I will show that later. Okay, so now I'll start engines. First the pneumatic, the oil pressure will start to raise. Then the N2 and N1 RPM will start to raise. Once we have 23% N2, I will turn on the fuel. We will have a fuel flow here, that's the needle, and we'll have EGT raising, and the oil temperature raising, and once on bus, the EPR pressure ratio will start to show about 1.2. So I will start left engine first. Okay, so now I'm starting the left engine, and you'll see the left hydraulic pressure will start to show a value because the system is pressurized, and left N2 starts to show a value as and N1 too, as they are spinning. Once we have 23% N2, which is right now, I throw fuel in it, and this gauge now will start to show a fuel flow, which should not be more than 1200. You see, we have fuel flow, we have EGT raising, and also the oil temperature is raising. Once the engine is stabilized, it will connect itself into the bus, so few of the instruments will disconnect and connect, with exception of the EGT, because that is just measuring temperature. And you can see now we have the left engine on bus, 1.2, 29 of 30 N1, 300 EGT, 57 of N1, and here is a fuel flow about 1000 pounds per minute, and we have 0.04 now fuel used. That is 40 pounds right now at this moment. And so that's the left engine, and also the RAT EPR is working. It shows 0 degrees centigrade because there is 0 in the simulator. And it's time to start the right engine. So start the right engine again. First the hydraulic pressure will start the raise, then the N2 and N1 starts to raise. once we have 23% of N2, there will be time to put a fuel in the engine. So we have 23 right now, and again there will be fuel flow first with the EGT. As you can see, we have fuel flow of about 1000 EGTs raising, and again once the bus is connected, some of the instruments, for instance the oil pressure and the fuel temperature, will go down and back up. And that happens just right now. And we have the second engine stabilized, so we have two good started engines. As I said before, there is 0.06 and 0.03, and this is the switch fuel used reset. So if I press that switch, it will reset the values. Okay, so that's how it's working. Oh yeah, the flaps are up now. I'll put the flaps slats, and now flaps 5. So see flaps 5.
Flaps 15.
Flaps goes to 15.
Flaps 25.
25.
Flaps 40.
Flaps 40.
Flaps
And
50.
flaps full.
Flaps 15. Flaps up. Slap retracted.
Now some thrust. As you can see, I added some thrust and values are changing. I have a takeoff warning, but you can see the fuel flow is showing more, about 2,900 pounds per hour. And let's put it at full thrust. So EPR full thrust, RPM a little bit more than 100, EGT 500, fuel flow is about 4,000 something, same here. And oil temperature raises to about 112, 20, 130. So this is how it all works in these new instruments. And let me turn the panel with the backside to me. Stand by. So this is the panel from behind. Here are the instruments connected, the wiring to the Arduinos or to the H-bridge tower here. So here are the H-bridges modules that are used for amplification of the Arduino signal into the instruments, and it's all mounted on one board here. A lot of USB cables going away from that, and two others are here at the bottom. That's I don't know if that is visible, but these two, the fuel use gauges, have the Arduino inside, so there is USB cable mounted directly into the instrument, and a few cables for the fuel reset switch and for power supply. So this is how it looks. It takes a lot of work, but it's working good. And that's it, guys, for today. I hope you like my video, and see you next time. Bye bye.